You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more banking comparisons. Today, we're tackling HSBC USA versus Huntington Bank, which one comes out on top. This video breaks down the features, benefits, and offerings of both institutions to help you determine the perfect fit for your financial situation. Find direct links to both banks in the description below. HSBC USA is a global banking powerhouse, a compelling option for individuals requiring international banking services. Its extensive global network provides access to a variety of accounts, credit cards, and investment opportunities specifically designed for high-net-worth individuals and those with complex international financial requirements. HSBC's Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts offer competitive interest rates, but be aware of the higher balance requirements and potential monthly fees if these thresholds aren't maintained. A significant advantage of HSBC is its multi-currency transaction capability and access to a vast global ATM network, making it ideal for frequent international travelers or those residing abroad. In contrast, Huntington Bank concentrates primarily on serving individuals and businesses within the United States, prioritizing personalized customer service. They offer a diverse range of checking accounts, including a noteworthy asterisk-free checking account with no monthly maintenance fees and convenient ATM access. Huntington's 24-hour grace feature provides a buffer against overdraft fees, adding another layer of customer convenience. Additionally, Huntington caters to local community banking needs and provides hands-on support, offering home loans and business banking services. Their highly rated mobile banking app allows for seamless and efficient account management from anywhere. To recap, HSBC USA excels for those seeking global banking capabilities and needing to manage international financial affairs. If, however, your priorities include a local, fee-free bank with exceptional customer service and robust business solutions, Huntington Bank emerges as the stronger contender. Explore both banks further using the links provided in the description and select the institution that best aligns with your financial lifestyle and goals.